If you want to see what a renewed Apple Watch looks like, let's check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just ordered this. Came from Amazon. I noticed that there were a few different listings, and it's an Apple Watch Series 9, GPS, and Cellular. One of the things that I wanted to do was just kind of upgrade to the latest and greatest Apple Watch Series 9, GPS and Cellular, so that I can abandon my phone and still get calls. But I didn't want to pay the full retail price, which I think is like $500, maybe $599 for the kind of the kitted out aluminum phone. And so I found this, and they always come like renewed, and I'm not really sure what that means, if someone used them and didn't like it and returned it, or open box or whatever. But obviously it does not have any of the Apple Watch packaging here, and that's because I bought the cheapest one I could find. Now, even in the renewed world, I found them in the $400, $380 range. I think this one was listed actually at $309 plus the taxes. And so I just wanted to show you what you would get here for a pretty substantial discount over new. You know, we're talking about 200 bucks. So one thing it comes with is an Apple Watch band. This comes with a gray silicone band here, and we have the two kind of long ends here. So the short and the long end, which I would need the long end because I'm so big and muscular, 20-inch pythons. And then we have the watch in this box. You know what? It's interesting. Comes with another watch band. So I don't know if they screwed that up, but I get a blue and a gray, kind of like the Civil War here. And then right here we get, looks like, oh, the Apple Watch charging cable, which is great. So that's an official one. Looks like kind of the braided nylon there. So I've got that. And then here is the Apple Watch itself, and this is what I'm super interested in checking out. And I will tell you what. So if we get way into that, it says Ion X glass, and it does say Series 9, and we've kind of got that black chrome backing there. This is the black aluminized case, and the little red circle there indicating that it is cellular, and everything looks pretty good. I don't see any particular wear or dents or scratches. I just put my fingerprint on the glass there, and even that looks pretty good. I'm kind of looking at it from my angle, so you may not see the light that I'm reflecting with it, but man, I mean, if I didn't know this was renewed, I would say that it's new, because as far as I can tell, it certainly looks like it. So now we can put in these bands here. I'm just going to hold down the power button here and obviously see if it comes on. But if it does, and it's not iCloud locked or anything, I can pair it to my phone, start using it, and save myself 200 bucks over the new Apple Watches. So if you want to pick up a renewed Apple Watch like this and save yourself quite a bit of coin. And there's the screen that says we can pair it, so looks like I'm good to go. Hey, you might want to pick it up. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.